Don't forget to save and share this video with someone. This one is the EcoTank 2760. I used to get caught up with the word converting your printer because it sounded scary, like I had to do a whole bunch of stuff, but it only means switching out the regular ink that comes with your printer, which is called pigment ink, and filling the tanks with sublimation inks. That is a converted printer. I have been real hardcore crafting for about 5 years. I have went through 3 variations of this same exact printer. It is not expensive. It's usually under $200, but they start having problems after 1.5 to 2 year mark. It's a good starter printer and it prints up to an 8.5 by 11, sometimes 14. In my experience, they usually don't take cardstock or transparent paper very well. I use this printer for all of my party favors, stickers, regular printing needs that I have. So I keep the ink that came with the printer that is called pigment ink inside of this one. Rest in peace to my EcoTank 15,000. This is a very popular printer. It's running about $500 right now. It does print wide format, 13 by 19 in size. I used it for Solvent printing, which is just like DTF printing with a few more added steps. The ink is totally waterproof. It was my fault this printer broke and doesn't work anymore, as I did not print regularly and the ink dried up in the lines and I could not do anything to unclog it. With any of these printers, if you don't print regularly, at least set your alarm for 1 time a week and print something so it goes through these printers so you won't have these issues. The Epson EcoTank 16500 was my first printer. I got it refurbished off of the Epson website, and when I decided on this printer, it printed up to a 13 by 19, but after 4.5 years, it finally started printing weird. My colors were off, so I had to get a new wide format printer, and I went ahead and got the Epson EcoTank 8550. This is the most expensive printer that I have bought to date. It has some pretty cool features, and it takes 2 extra ink colors. There is a gray and a photo black to give the best beautiful colors that I have ever seen. I just put my sublimation ink inside, and it also does my roll paper with no problem. I've had this printer for about 6 months so far, and I love it. Hopefully this helps you in selecting the best printer for your business. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to DM me. Bye.